You sit down to work and somehow end up scrolling. Your to-do list is full, but your mind is foggy. You try to concentrate, but your brain keeps slipping away. Sound familiar? It's not just you. In a world built on noise, distraction has become our default. But here's the truth. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you're weak. It's that your mind is overloaded, and nobody taught you how to protect it. We often blame ourselves for not focusing. I should try harder. I just need more discipline. But focus isn't about trying harder. It's about understanding how your brain works. Willpower is like a muscle, and every ping, every notification, every tiny interruption drains it. The more you fight distraction head-on, the more burned out you get. That's not a weakness. That's biology. Let's talk about the 3 biggest enemies of your focus. First, constant context switching. Jumping from email to Instagram to work to WhatsApp, your brain has to reset every time. It loses momentum. It's like trying to sprint while constantly tying your shoes. Second, information overload. We're not just scrolling, we're drowning. In one day, we consume more content than people did in an entire lifetime just a century ago. Your brain isn't meant to handle that much input without burning out. And third, dopamine addiction. Every like, every click, every swipe gives your brain a tiny hit of dopamine, and slowly, without even realizing it, your mind starts chasing novelty instead of depth. You crave the next thing, not the meaningful thing. You know, distraction doesn't just take your time. It takes something deeper. It starts stealing your trust in yourself, and here is the scary part. After a while, you don't blame the noise. You start blaming you. You start thinking, maybe I'm just not smart enough. Maybe I'm not driven enough. Maybe I'm not capable. It's like trying to run a marathon while 100 people are pulling at your sleeves. At some point, you stop running. You stop dreaming. And worst of all, you stop trusting yourself. What focus feels like. You know the feeling, that rare spark when your mind sharpens, and for a moment it all just makes sense. When the world goes quiet, time fades away, and it's just you and the work. You're clear. You're in flow. You're not distracted. You're locked in. Here's the thing. That wasn't a lucky moment. That's you. That's your natural state, buried underneath the noise. You don't need to force it. You just need to clear the path. Because focus shouldn't be rare. It should be your habit. So, how do you fix it? Start small. Just 10 minutes a day of undistracted, deep focus. Turn off your phone. Close all tabs. Breathe. Begin. Because once your brain remembers what clarity feels like, it will crave it more than the chaos. You don't need more apps. You need less noise. You don't need more willpower. You need better boundaries. And most of all, you don't need to become someone new. You just need to return to the version of you that could already focus. And that version is still there, waiting. You don't rise by doing more. You rise by doing what matters, with your full attention. Think deeper, see broader, grow wiser. That's the mindset that moves you forward. If you're on a journey to take back your focus and rebuild your mindset, hit subscribe. This space is for you.